Another day, another vlog. Welcome sa vlog natin. Kala. Dito tayo sa New York City. First time ko dito sa pinaka city. Makikita natin yung Statue of the Liberty. Sa Ferry State Islands sa New York. Ito naman, daming tao dahil. You know, sakay tayo ng ferry. I'm with Lourdes. Excited na yan. Super excited na yung girl na yan. Ako din. You know, free yan. Excited ay. First time ko to na magsakay ng ferry. Nakalabas na sila eh. Papasok pa lang kami. Diyan, sa loob. Daming tao. Tao. Pasok na tayo. Papunta sa ferry. Excited na din.
Go on the left. And then go ahead.
I don't want to get lost. Pasok na tayo sa ferry.
Maybe we'll talk. You're so behind. Okay.
Ayun na.
Sandy Ground, you're getting. You hear me? Sandy Ground is the name.
Sandy Ground, pangalan nung sakyan namin na malaking barko.
Get on that side. Come on. This side.
Day, madadaanan natin yung statue. Ayan yan, yung green. Ay, oo yan. Saan tayo ikot? Ikot tayo dyan?
Mamaya siguro ikot dun.
Oo, pabalik. Pero likod na siya. Ayan na siya. Maliit na ano, barko. Bangka pala. Tabayan lang namin. Pabalik na yan doon.
Illegal immigrants.
Hi! Yeah, can see it closely.
Nakita mo yung Liberty. Di mo na
It's a Freedom Tower.
sailboat.
Yan yung pinakamatangkad.
But they rent that.
No. Well, they might rent like you can get on the
Celebrities
drive.
there.
Yeah.
See you again later.
Halfway.
From here to there?
No, we could
It's not
even.
even a mile.
Are you kidding me?
I guess we're
No.
Ang ganda. First time ko makarating dito sa city. So, as na experience, even nakasakay ako ng free lang naman na ferry. Yeah, I like it. Maganda rin naman din talaga. And happy ako to see the Liberty. Ayun. Babalik kami dyan, iikot pa kami dito sa kabilang way. So, this is an hour trip. And free lang siya guys. Kung taga dito kayo, siguro alam niyo. Anyway, it's not the first time na sumakay. Kasama ko sila Lourdes. Pero, masaya. Nag-enjoy ako. Tingnan mo. It reminds me na umuwi ng probinsya. Mga ganyan. Medyo maalon. Pero hindi naman. Sakto lang. Ang ganda. Laki ng city nila. Ganito yung nakikita mo sa city kapag pumunta ka sa MOA. Puro building. Malalaki. Unang baba na to sa Manhattan mula dun sa inanuhan namin. Anday mga barko tsaka mga bangkong maliliit. Mga ferry boat na maliliit. And unang stopover, pwedeng bumaba yung iba kasi city na kung gusto lang mamasyal, pwede rin continue tas ikot dun, ikot hanggang pabalik doon kung saan kami galing. I'm good. Bababa kami kasi may mini party sa ikot-ikot tayo sa city, pero ito na yung sakyan namin ng barko pabalik. Excited na. Ganito ang sitwasyon pagbabakay ng barko or ferry. Sobrang daming tao na babalat sa barko. Yun siya. Di ikot-ikot dyan. Kung ano laman dyan sa loob. Kasi first time ko dito. Ano meron dito. Daming tao, no? Ibon. Ayan, no? That's the building. Yung kanina. Ba't ng ibon? Wah. Ganda. Dami ibon. Ferry. Ito yung sa labas.
Yeah, you might
So,
get down below. I don't know.
yeah. Sa baba, oh. Dami tao. May palabas. Oh, sorry. Ingay. May sumasayaw-sayaw. This is the city, day. Parang may palabas sa TV. Since first time ko dito, sulitin na natin. Ayun, oh. Nasayaw-sayaw sila. Siguro yung nahulugan sila ng barya. This is cool. Ayun, oh. State Ferry. State Ferry. Pero sumasayaw eh.
They're a lot harder than move on. It's like I'm flipping all over the place.
Mga street food nila, oh. Yan, street food dito. Parang nasa Manila ka lang talaga. Diba?
Let's hope they don't poop on your head.
Kami sa ano park. Bareri Park. Ayan. Kaya may likod, oh. Mga building sa city. O, tingnan may street food dito. Mala Pilipinas. Where are they?
Taking some photos.
Ganda ng flower. Hi! Welcome to the city of New York, guys.
Some big old
Oh, big eagle.
sculpture.
Yeah. Oh, dami building. Mala city lang siya sa Manila City. Maraming building. Ganun siya. Kaibahan lang. Sa atin parang basurang madami. Dito kasi may amoy din talaga. Pero good thing dito, Bart, wala.
I'm sure Mommy's been here. There's the top of the Freedom Tower.
Oh, top of the Freedom Tower. Ano yun? Ayun. Dami building. Ang ganda, I like it. Okay, we're going up here in the Eagle statue. Sa ano, I don't know what we call this one. Malaking eagle or agila. That's okay. A lot of people.
I know, I just wonder, they must have like figured out.
Oh, just like a picture here. The yeah.
It was like June or something? Well, no, it was right after you came, right? So it must have been like August, September.
South Island right there, right?
Sunday night?
Birthday.
Di ba, ano?
We're going to bowling. I'm with them. Uy. I'm with Lourdes. Last day na namin. Alas na kami bukas. So, magbanding na tayo. Gawin na natin lahat. Kung karaoke, magbalot. Ay, breakfast kami kanina. Bulat.
Lourdes, same name as well.
So, update you guys kung dito na sa Lark.
Maybe we should put the, what do you call it there?
You having banjing tea?
Sa bowling area. Bowling. Waiting for our sarili. Na makapaglaro. It's bowling time. Maglalaro tayo ng bowling. Lloyd eh. Bowling muna.
Go, Jenke. One, two.
What's the, you got the white room model?
Yeah. Halikat. Ay, teka. Go, Jenke.
Looks like there's some oil on the lid. Looks like there's some oil on the lid.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Go! Pick it up!
Woo!
Come on!
Very good, very good.
Magtapon ka.
My love, don't worry about the walk. Just show her where she stops. You could run and walk, you know. Great. Try to keep your hand this way. And then when you lift up, you lift like this. Okay, good.
Go, Jenke. Straight, straight. One, two. Straight. Nice. Oh, wow. Look at that body. Oh! Oh!
Yay! Naka-score! Sige. Naka-score din. Lumiligo talaga siya, no?